Life is like riding a bicycle. Okay, life is like riding a bicycle. Okay, to balance it we have to keep going, keep moving. To balance it we have to keep moving, and then only we can get good chances and good opportunity. For the sake of chances and opportunity, we have to live healthily. We have to live healthily. For that we have to eat nutritious food. In these nutritious foods we can take these fruits. We have to take fruits. Okay, fruits is very necessary for our life. Okay, then only we can get the immunity power. Then for the children fruits are more important. Without fruits we cannot take the balanced diet. Okay, we can go to the fruits name. Here the first one is angur. Angur means grapes. Okay, we all know grapes are blackish in color. Blackish in color. It is so tasty. It is so tasty. It gives more strength to the people for their growth. Then the second one is anjeer. Anjeer means fig. Nowadays the fig fruits are very famous. Dipping the fig fruits in honey gives more energy. Then the third one is ananas. Ananas means pineapple. Okay, pineapple give growth and gives blood circulation easily. Then the fourth one is anar. Anar means pomegranate. Anar means pomegranate. Then the fifth one is amrut. Amrut, okay, meaning is guava. Nowadays we are having more guavas in the street side also. We can get easily the guava fruits. Okay, then amla. Amla means gooseberry. Okay, gooseberry. There is a history in the Tamil history. We are having one king, Adiyaman. Okay, Adiyaman gave this gooseberry to an poet Avayar, which gives more age to that old lady. Okay, he gave the fruit to the old lady to live her for a long time. Here, then the seventh one is am. Am means mango. Okay, all students, all of us love mango. Then eighth one is gajur. Gajur means dates, which it has more iron. Okay, more iron. While taking 2 dates daily we can improve our iron efficiency. Then ninth one is sebe. Sebe means apple. Okay, taking a apple daily we can throw out the doctors. There is a proverb like that. Okay, then 10th one is darbooj. Darbooj means watermelon, which gives the body the water immunity. Okay, while in the summer season we need more this type of fruits. Okay, then the 11th one is santara, narangi. 2 names for orange. 2 names for orange. Then orange consists of vitamin C. Vitamin C. In these days we need more vitamin C. So take one orange daily. Then nimbu. Nimbu means lemon. Okay, we are having lemon pickles, lemon juices. Okay, lemon pickle is more delicious food. Here the 13th one is papita. Papita means papaya. Okay, the juices of the leaves give strength to the dengue. Okay, those who affected by dengue fever, they can take the juices for 3 days. Okay, then the 14th one is kela. Kela means banana. We all know banana. Okay, then the 15th one is chiku. Chiku means sapota. Chiku means sapota. Then the 16th one means kathal. The meaning is jackfruit. The meaning is jackfruit is so sweet. In all the fruits, jackfruit is the so sweet. Okay. Then the 17th one is sitafal. Okay. Sitafal means custard apple. Then the 18th one is karbuja. Karbuja means muskmelon. In summer season, in the shops of juice, we can easily get the muskmelon juices. Okay. It gives cold to our body. Then 19th one, naspati. Naspati means pear. Naspati means pear. Then the 20th one is kismis. Kismis means currant, which gives more strength to the children. Daily we have to take kismis in the night time. Okay. It throughout our constipation. For constipation people, they have to take daily at least 10 kismis daily. Okay.